Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to use if and revert to check a condition before executing a function. In the last videos we have seen a certain require. So to first use if, and I have also noted down these notes here, you can take a look at them. So to use if, we can first create a function, and by using this function we will be passing some numbers, a number here as a function parameter value, and then we will check if this number is smaller than 5 or not. If it is smaller than 5, then we will execute an extra line of code. So to create that condition we need to say if number is smaller than 5, and that's it. If number is smaller than 5, then what we should do, maybe we can just return this number, or to return the number. That's it. So that is as simple as that. But if the number is not smaller than 5, then we can create an else situation, and here we can say return, I don't know, 5 something random, or maybe just 0. So as you can see with if, and that's the thing about if, and in if statement there is no condition fail situation. With a certain require, when the condition fails, or the function call, the function execution stops. But with if statement alone, when the condition fails, the function execution does not stop. It just moves on to this else. Even if there is no else here, it will still move on whatever was down here. If there is nothing down here, then it would just execute this function, and then that's it. So that's the difference between if and a certain require. With if, the condition the function execution does not stop if the condition fails, and for that reason no gas is returned, and for that reason there is no revert back. So now let's create another function, this time for if and revert, and actually the only change is here. So instead of saying return this, you can just say return. And when we use revert like that, it means that if the condition fails, the function execution will stop here, and all the changes made to the contract by calling this function, they will be reverted back, and any gas that was that was remained, it will also return back to us. So now let's save everything, and here with the revert we can also add one custom message. We can say number is too big, let's say something like that. And now let's deploy it. It's already compiled. So with the first function, if I say 7 and call the function, you see, or maybe first I can say 3, and if I call the function it returns me 3, and now if I say 7 it returns me 0. So as you can see, the function execution did not stop. But here if I say 3 and if I call it, that's correct, it passes. But if I say 7, you see it didn't update here, and the function execution stopped. Let me show it to you, and it also provided me this error message. So that's how you use revert, if and revert. See you next time. Bye bye.